It is so sad that with all what is going on, people just still find way and get comfortable hurting somebody else's feelings. Okay, so I am in this group where you share your meals. And if I can cook and you can't cook, or if you can cook and I cannot cook properly, but in my mind, I feel like I can cook. All right, so sometimes I'll get dressed, and who can tell me, say, me no hotter than everybody, which is when somebody else look on me, that's not how they feel. They maybe believe that I don't dress good, but in my head, I am the hottest person getting out in my clothes. So it's the same thing with food. You cook your food and you go to the in depths to prepare it, to take a picture and put it in this group. And you have some people bashing you constantly, aggressively. Take this look like SHIT. Like, why would you comment under somebody photo that they prepare their meals? And that's how they can prepare it. Everybody do things differently. It hurt me feeling so bad, and it's not even funny that somebody can actually comment on that somebody food that they're going to eat and said it looked like SHIT. That's sad. That is terrible. Like, why would you get so comfortable bashing people with something that they're gonna? That's how they can cook it. If I see something and it don't look presentable, because I'm not gonna say I'm a top chef, but I'm a Jamaican and I know how to help myself when it come on to cooking Jamaican meals. I can try to cook American meals. I can try to cook other culture meals, but that doesn't mean it's going to taste as good as how they prepare their meals. I know how to cook Jamaican. I grew up in the bush. My grandmother taught me well, but at the same time, I'm not gonna say, okay, I can cook Mexican food or you know American food or whatever, and it's gonna taste real good. I don't know how it's gonna taste, so I am just have to try. The people then prepare them meal, and in a them head, them say them food look good and taste good. Then take the picture and then put it up, and you are gonna comment underneath the people them picture and say it look like SHIT. Why would somebody be so mean and aggressive to somebody? Like, what make you have to treat people that way? What make you so comfortable of bringing down, disrespecting somebody? I don't know. Like, this is a serious time we're living in. And it don't, like, when is it that you're going to show love? My grandmother always say, if you cannot do good, don't do nothing. If you see the food and you feel like it sick your stomach because you would have do a better job, keep it to yourself. But for go out on a limb and discriminate somebody and treat them like that and embarrass them, like me couldn't find it in myself for do that to somebody. Like, it hurt to even see that somebody can be so aggressive. Like, where is the love? We don't have any love in our heart, and we just, it's like social media. It's so good, but it can be so dangerous. Like, people come after you for nothing. You prepare your meal, and in your mind, it is good, and you have somebody out there commenting that it looks like. That's horrible. That is terrible. And we don't know when we are going to wake up, and it's like it's getting worse and worse. Like, people do this for fun. People hurt people for fun. Why can't you be nice? Be caring. It's like the coldness, the heartless against each other. It's sad. It is so sad. Where's the kindness? Love and kindness wins. And if we don't practice love and kindness in our home and teach our kids to show love and kindness and get up every day and just be aggressive to people who you don't even know. You don't know these people. You don't know their background. You don't know how they find their food. And they prepare it and share it with you. And that's what you can able to comment under somebody's hood. It hurt me so bad. Like, I really have to do the video because we need to share more support to each other and just stop being so mean and aggressive. You know, I mean, what if you have a cousin or a friend that don't really know how to cook, but they are trying? What if you have your kids? Because I can cook well, that doesn't mean my children, all of my kids can cook well. No, all of them cannot cook well. But I'm gonna see one of them that can cook well cook something and I said, oh, that looked like SHIT? No. It is so sad that we're not learning after all what is going on, and people are losing people every day, and you still just don't look in at yourself and try to show each other love and support. Like, when is it going to stop with you? When is it that you're going to wake up and realize like life is short and support each other and uplift one another? At some point in your life, do it. If you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for your kids. If you don't have any kids, you must have nieces, nephew. Teach them love. Don't teach them to be aggressive, because when you put things on social media that is aggressive and they go there and they see that you're, oh, my aunt is doing this, oh, my mom is doing this, oh, my dad is doing this, so it's okay for me to do it too. Like, when is it that we're going to set example and make sure that what we're doing is right? Like, trace your steps and make positive, leave a positive feedback for your family, your kids, and everyone out there who is watching you. Be fair to people. You don't have to love everybody, but be fair. You know, just be fair to people and don't be so heartless and cold. I feel bad for the person, and I know they feel bad too, because in the group, the admin for the group have to comment and tell them to stop doing it. Like, why would you be so cold? What do you get out of that? How do you feel when you hurt somebody? That's somebody's feelings you're stepping on. Think about it, guys. Every time when you're going to do something and do something like that, that's the devil controlling you. You need the Spirit of God inside of you. The devil is a liar, and he tries so hard to control people. So you have to look into yourself when you're going to do things and make the right choice. Don't let anything negative control you. Try to stay positive and be supportive. Show some love. We need it in this time because it is crazy. We have enough already. So just love one another. That's all I'm asking, guys. Support and love. Leave a good legacy of caring on this planet for your generation. People always talk about leave wealth. It's not just money. I mean, wealth can be different things, but love is the key. And if you share that, you'll be all right. God bless. Be safe. One love. Bob Marley.
Ajé mo pé